YouTube Wagwan, man, you're tuned into Click React, and today we're reacting to Adinross buying his boy Kai his dream watch, man. You guys, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe. You can do that right now. Drop a like, turn on post notifications, and let me know what you would do if your friend bought you your dream watch or your dream car or your dream anything, man, because not everybody loves watches and stuff like that, but I think this is an amazing gesture nonetheless, man. But we're just gonna get right into it. I'll catch you guys later. Yeah.
Alright.
That's up.
We about to get Kai a little birthday gift.
I'm scared. Why'd you post so deep on me?
Man, getting an iced out watch talking about a little birthday.
Yes, sir.
This is my brother for real.
Yes, sir. Yo, so tell him the story. Did you tell him?
No. Go ahead, you tell him.
So
It's your
look,
birthday.
So Adin was on stream, and he said on his mother's life,
And on your mother's life.
my mom's life, that he's gonna buy me an AP.
I did say that.
That's what he said.
It is your birthday. You're finally 21.
21.
Let's get
Damn,
things started,
bro,
right?
expensive. Yo.
So I'm gonna buy you an AP.
All right, bet.
I'm about to get right.
Yeah, he's crazy.
About to get right.
Yo, he is crazy, bro. All right, so what we got?
Money long.
Damn.
Happy birthday, by the way.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, my boy.
Kai.
Yes.
Kool-Aid.
Also, Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
Look like I'm at a candy shop. Yo, why are you doing this, bro? You're weird.
Whoa.
Is it that steak money?
You're weird.
It has to be an AP. Are we leaving that at AP?
Yeah, because we put it on Mama
Yeah, I thought that was, I was thinking
AP.
that too.
AP.
You mad
AP.
for that?
We are.
You waiting on
Brown.
Yeah, brown. Yeah, yep.
So stainless. This is a white gold.
I'm sure it's
This is a
clean.
very
Man.
hard to find watch. This is called frosted.
That is tough.
Yeah, the one on the left is fire still.
That's a frosted AP. This is stainless.
That's tough.
I like this one right here.
I'm from Atlanta.
What's this?
That's tough, bro. How much is it?
Off camera, on camera.
Say it on camera.
You don't say it on camera?
Wait, why? Should we not?
No, say it on camera. I'm not buying it. Santa Claus came earlier. How much is that?
I've never bought someone a gift. Like the outside.
Let me see.
Show them.
Yo, show us.
I seen it. That was.
Damn. $110? That's a steal.
Now,
Let me know. Bro,
Bosh, you need to realize one thing. If I do this, I want the best head ever.
Oh, hell no.
Yo, not from you. I'm saying I want you to find me a girl. I said I want you to find me a girl. I gotta get found a girl. I gotta get found a girl. That's all.
I'll get you a girl, bro.
Scared. Fuck it.
No.
Shut up. I'm doing it.
Yo, he's so weird.
Because I'm only doing it. Fuck your birthday. I'm only doing it because I put on our mom's lives. I have to.
Hey, man.
You know what I mean? I have to. So.
I have to. Money.
Damn, bro, this nigga's a... Bro, now I gotta get you something. I mean, I gotta ping pong every year.
Are you gonna
I literally gotta ping pong this nigga every year.
You gotta, well, I mean, you've been making a lot of money for those subs. You can,
Yeah,
you can get me a nice little gift. You can.
Nah, we're definitely
Man,
ping.
it's not worth a lamb chop.
Like every year.
Ping
bro.
pong.
I gotta top.
Yeah.
Top this, bro. Bro, you
have to buy me a car.
Bro, this is so fucking crazy, bro. Like this nigga, this is the most expensive gift somebody has ever bought me, bro.
It is crazy stuff.
Out of nowhere, he said it too. Like it wasn't no bet, it wasn't no deal.
Okay, I'm just gonna tell you, it's $110,000, bro.
110,000. But I don't even feel right doing this, bro.
You shouldn't. I'm kidding. That's gonna be
But
okay.
like he decided to put it on our mom's
Let me
live.
tell you something right now, bro. I want to really speak this right now on camera. I don't care.
I don't tell you quiet down.
One mic.
I wanted to say, bro, at the end of the day, you and I, we really did some crazy shit, and we made this shit happen to be able to do this. But I do want to say one thing. It's crazy now how rappers really want to be us. Isn't that crazy? Rappers really like, yo, what's the streaming wave about? Boom, we want to get boom, 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 boom. They want to be us, so
Which is fine.
we're gonna flex. Yeah, that's cool.
facts,
But we're gonna talk our shit and flex. Some people who always did not believe in us, and you know what I mean. We're gonna really shit on the world together. My brother.
Yes,
Happy
sir.
birthday, bro.
Yes, sir.
That's lit,
Yes, sir.
that's
Appreciate
lit.
you, my boy.
Come on.
This nigga's a real ass nigga right here. I swear to God, bro.
I got you.
What the fuck, bro?
He's so weird.
Can I be honest?
His
You have a nicer
mannerisms,
watch than me. That's
his
crazy.
mannerisms are so weird.
It's okay. It's okay.
Bro, why would you say that out of nowhere, though? Why would you do that? You're weird. Why would you
Oh,
do
there's
that?
no diamonds.
Put it on your mom's life that you're gonna do some crazy shit for my
My mom's life, I'm gonna do some crazy shit for his B-Day, bro.
Let's see
I'm
that.
not that locked.
And he's gonna be richer by then, so.
Yo,
Adin is a fucking maniac.
show him, Kai.
He's a fucking maniac.
Hey, bro, we
For the
put on our
B-Day.
mothers' lives. Mama Sinat, Mama Ross. We can't let them die.
He bought the fucking AP. My nigga.
My brother.
Appreciate you, bro.
I got you, brother.
Yo, this guy, Adin is so funny, bro.
This is crazy.
Happy 21, bro.
Happy 21.
21?
Yeah.
21.
For real though, do you guys think that Adin has said the word nigga? I think he has. I mean, he has black friends, so they probably said say it.
21, bro. What
Box is official.
Ooh, that box is crazy.
I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna take that.
Oh, you're gonna take it.
I gotta keep it.
Yep.
Hold that.
And I don't know if my brother told you, it's limited edition 200 in the world.
Damn.
Wow.
Damn.
You have a better watch
There's
than everyone
There's
now.
199 other people with it.
Correct.
Can I see it? Yo, Ant, we out. That's fire, bro.
Bro, niggas, bro, like, this is crazy.
It is.
That is the craziest shit I've ever seen.
Bro, what the fuck?
When the all black is
What
ready,
the
I'm ready.
fuck?
I'm taking the all black one.
These are ass.
These niggas have money. Up.
Probably have to do what? Two of them?
Nah, it's not gonna go through for everything. So let's do.
You better give some good. You better give some good tonight.
He's stupid ass.
Dude, to a girl. Yeah, bro. Like, what do you think I am?
Okay, you're right. No, prank them. Prank them. Like, who is in the car and buy whatever you want for the next day?
All right. And wait, prank.
Yo!
Who wants to take my card and buy whatever they want for the next 30 days?
What do you mean? Don't do that to 12 black people, guys.
Yeah.
I'm about to buy a house.
I wanted the whole store.
That security ain't playing no games. He said, back it up, man. This ain't no
Yep. Alright, they're twins. Let's do the test. All
You
right.
know I'm a twin, right?
He is too.
I got twin sisters.
He has a sister, yeah. Alright.
How the fuck are y'all fraternal?
Yeah.
Nah, they're identical.
They kind
He's,
of look alike.
he was born 756.
Wait,
Nah.
let's first ask
Yeah, yeah, alright. Let's do the twin test. I'm thinking number 2, 1 through 10. On the count 3, you're gonna say it. 1, 2, 3.
6.
Yo!
shit!
That is so funny.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
The twin test.
Pre-dump L script.
That is crazy
L script.
Free out script. Yeah.
Aiden just asked if we were
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again.
Do it again?
Yeah, do it again.
No, it's only one time.
Let's see if that's gonna work one time. He's like, pick a number 1 through 10. You guys gotta say it at the same time. 1.
Guys, what you think of the watch, man? I think that shit is clean as hell. I ain't a watch person myself, like, but I think simple watches like that, plain Jane, is actually fire as hell, man. But that's so lit, man. I actually think it's cool that, you know, they have this kind of money that they can flex like that if they want, because they're not doing anything disrespectful at the same time either. So, you know, it's really cool, man. Shout out to them, man. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate you.